Imagine waking up in Paris to the scent of fresh croissants, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting through the air. The city is just beginning to stir, and you find yourself at a quaint Parisian cafe, savoring the delicate buttery layers of a croissant. The Eiffel Tower looms in the distance, a reminder of the city's timeless charm and elegance. By nightfall, you're halfway across the globe, sipping tea under the ethereal glow of cherry blossoms in Tokyo. The delicate petals flutter in the breeze, creating a scene straight out of a dream. The juxtaposition of Parisian mornings and Tokyo nights highlights the incredible diversity our world has to offer. Traveling to any corner of the world within 24 hours might sound like a scene from a science fiction movie, but it's becoming increasingly attainable. Modern airports, with their sleek designs and advanced technologies, facilitate this rapid movement. Time-lapse footage of bustling cityscapes from around the world showcases the dynamic nature of our global society. The world is shrinking, not literally, of course, but in terms of travel time. Flight paths that once seemed impossibly long are now routine, thanks to advancements in aviation technology. The globe feels more connected than ever before, with distances that once took days to traverse now covered in mere hours. With advancements in transportation technology and strategic planning, the seemingly impossible is now within reach. High-speed trains and state-of-the-art airplanes make it possible to traverse continents with ease. The interiors of these modern marvels are designed for comfort, ensuring that even long journeys are pleasant experiences. This evolution in travel opens doors to incredible opportunities. Business professionals can now attend meetings in multiple countries within a single day, fostering international collaborations and partnerships. Airports have become melting pots of cultures where people from all walks of life converge, each with their own unique stories and destinations. Imagine attending a crucial business meeting in New York in the morning and being back in your London flat for dinner with your family. The ability to seamlessly blend professional and personal life across continents is a testament to the power of modern travel. Or picture surprising your loved ones with a weekend getaway to a distant country, all within a single day. The joy of reuniting with family and friends, coupled with the excitement of exploring new destinations, makes for unforgettable memories. This era of rapid travel allows us to experience more of the world in less time, fostering cultural exchange and understanding in unprecedented ways. Time-lapse footage of people exploring different cities and participating in cultural festivals highlights the rich tapestry of human experiences that await the intrepid traveler. While the logistics might seem daunting, conquering the globe in 24 hours is an exhilarating possibility. Meticulous planning and a spirit of adventure are all it takes to turn this dream into reality. The world is your playground, with countless destinations waiting to be explored. Turning our planet into a playground of accessible adventure, modern travel empowers us to break boundaries and create connections. Whether you're an adventure seeker exploring new destinations or a family enjoying a well-deserved vacation, the thrill of global travel is an experience like no other. When it comes to long-distance travel, airplanes are our undisputed champions of speed. They have revolutionized the way we perceive distance and time, shrinking the world and making it more accessible than ever before. Commercial airlines have steadily increased their flight speeds over the decades, making far-off destinations more accessible. The advancements in aviation technology have not only improved speed but also safety and comfort, ensuring a pleasant journey for passengers. Direct flights are your best bet for saving time. By eliminating layovers, you can reach your destination faster and with less hassle. This is particularly beneficial for business travelers who need to maximize their time. A direct flight from New York City to London, for instance, can take as little as 7 hours. This rapid transit allows for quick international meetings, vacations, or even spontaneous trips across the Atlantic. However, the real time-saving magic happens when you leverage the strategic placement of international airport hubs. These hubs are designed to facilitate smooth and efficient transfers, reducing the overall travel time significantly. These hubs act as efficient transfer points, allowing you to connect to flights heading to almost any corner of the world. They are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities to handle large volumes of passengers and flights seamlessly. For example, traveling from Los Angeles to Sydney could involve a layover in Singapore or Hong Kong. These layovers, while seemingly adding time, are often optimized to ensure the quickest possible route to your final destination. While seemingly adding time, these well-connected hubs often offer the fastest routes to your final destination. They provide a network of connections that make global travel more efficient and less time-consuming, truly acting as our modern-day time machines. For those with the means and a need for ultimate speed and flexibility, private jets and chartered flights offer an exclusive edge in the race against time. These luxurious modes of travel are not just about getting from point A to point B, they are about doing so in the most efficient and comfortable manner possible. Imagine bypassing the usual airport hassles with personalized service and the ability to design your own itinerary. No more long security lines, crowded terminals, or waiting for your luggage. Instead, you are treated to VIP lounges, expedited boarding, and a level of service that makes you feel like royalty. Private jets can access smaller airports that commercial airlines don't, getting you closer to your final destination and shaving off valuable travel time. This means you can land at airports that are much nearer to your intended location, avoiding the need for long car rides or additional connecting flights. This advantage is particularly valuable when traveling to multiple destinations within a short time frame. Whether it's a business trip requiring stops in several cities or a luxury vacation hopping between exotic locales, private jets offer unparalleled convenience and efficiency. However, this level of convenience comes at a premium price. The cost of chartering a private jet can be substantial, often running into thousands of dollars per hour. This makes it a viable option primarily for those with significant financial resources or a compelling need for the benefits it offers. Chartered flights are a more cost-effective option for groups traveling together. By pooling resources, groups can enjoy many of the same benefits of private aviation, such as flexibility and comfort, without the prohibitive costs. By sharing the cost, you can enjoy some perks of private aviation without breaking the bank. This makes chartered flights an attractive option for corporate teams, large families, or groups of friends looking to travel in style and comfort. Remember the Concorde? This supersonic marvel could whisk passengers from London to New York in a mere 3.5 hours. While retired in 2003, supersonic travel is poised for a comeback. Companies are developing new generations of supersonic and even hypersonic aircraft, promising to revolutionize air travel once again. These advancements aim to reduce travel times drastically. Imagine flying from Tokyo to Los Angeles in just 2 hours. The implications for global business, diplomacy, and tourism are immense. However, supersonic travel is still in its nascent stages. Several technological and environmental challenges need to be addressed before it becomes commercially viable and accessible to the general public. Section 5. A race against the clock navigating time zones. Traveling across multiple time zones can take a toll on your body and mind. Jet lag, a common ailment of long-distance travelers, can disrupt sleep patterns, affect mood, and decrease cognitive function. The key to conquering jet lag is to start adjusting to your destination's time zone before you even depart. Begin shifting your sleep schedule a few days before your trip, gradually moving closer to the time zone you'll be in. Once on board your flight, set your watch to your destination's time and try to eat and sleep accordingly. Hydration is crucial, so drink plenty of water and avoid alcohol and caffeine. Section 6. Real-world routes from London to Sydney in a day. Let's put theory into practice with a real-world example. Is it possible to travel from London to Sydney in 24 hours? While challenging, it's achievable with careful planning. You would begin with an early morning flight from London Heathrow to Singapore Changi Airport, one of the world's busiest and most efficient hubs. This leg of the journey would take approximately 13 hours. After a brief layover in Singapore, you would board a connecting flight to Sydney Kingsford Smith Airport, taking about 8 hours. With optimized flight schedules and minimal layover time, you could touch down in Sydney within a 24-hour time frame. Section 7. The price of speed cost considerations for rapid travel. The allure of traveling anywhere in 24 hours is undeniable, but it's essential to consider the financial implications. As you might expect, the faster and more convenient the mode of transportation, the higher the cost. Commercial flights, especially when booked in advance or during off-peak seasons, offer the most budget-friendly option. Utilizing travel search engines and being flexible with your travel dates can lead to significant savings. Private jets and chartered flights, while offering unparalleled speed and flexibility, come with a hefty price tag. These options are generally reserved for business executives, celebrities, or those with substantial travel budgets. Section 8. Practical tips packing light and planning ahead. Successfully navigating the globe in 24 hours requires more than just booking flights. It demands meticulous planning, efficient packing, and a touch of adventurous spirit. Packing light is essential. A carry-on suitcase eliminates the need to wait for checked baggage, saving you precious time. Pack versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched for different climates and occasions. Thorough research and itinerary planning are your best allies. Familiarize yourself with visa requirements, local customs, and transportation options at your destination. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the adventure. The ability to travel anywhere on Earth within 24 hours is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect with the world around us. While challenges and costs are associated with such rapid travel, the experiences and opportunities it unlocks are immeasurable. As we venture further into this era of accelerated globalization, let's embrace the adventure with open minds and a sense of wonder. The world is waiting to be explored, and now more than ever it's within our grasp to experience its diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and boundless opportunities in the blink of an eye.